Morning, it's Richard here from Sleep Haven with a Tuesday tip for you. I'm just going to talk about a process called wicking. We came to a customer's house yesterday and we cleaned the carpets. And she gave me a ring last night and said, "Oh, Rich, I've just noticed a couple of stains that haven't been removed and they're not there." She said, "Oh, would you mind coming back and having a look?" I said, "Yeah, not a problem. That's what we're all about, customer service. Thanks for bringing it to my attention." So I've come here today again with Dan just to have a look to see what's occurred. And I think what's happened, we've got a process called wicking. Now, when the boys have cleaned the carpet, the customers checked the carpet, was happy with it, but over a period of time, because this is a deep piled carpet and quite thick, stains like this have reoccurred. And if you just zoom in there, Dan, you can see a little mark that's come here and that's appeared. Now, what has happened is the carpet is started to dry. Because it's a deep piled carpet, the stain has come up to the surface, and this will happen sometimes. Now, doing a bit of investigation as well, I think what's occurred, they had a radiator that was changed a little while ago, and when they've spilt the stain, the dirty water has got through to the back of the carpet, hence why it's now wicking up. So what we're going to do is I've got some rust remover, so I'm just going to apply it to a little bit of kitchen towel, and if you can zoom in for me here, Dan, we can see the stain, got a little bit of rust remover, and I'm just going to blot that. On the top there. And here you can see on the tissue the brown mark of the dirty water coming up there onto the tissue. And then just do that, and we've just taken that off the surface. And then what I'll do after that, I'll then flush it through with cold water to just extract the remnants of that. So it happens from time to time. The thing is, it's just one of those things, but with us it's customer service, and that's what people pay us for. We know we're a bit more expensive than other companies, but it's the way we respond and the way we deal with things. So we've come straight back here, seen what's gone on, and then we're going to address it for the customer. The customer will check it before we go, and we just make sure it's okay. But that's why people come back to us. So that's your Tuesday tip about wicking. I'll stop going on. If we can help, give us a call on 01327 342 594. Many thanks.